Greetings, friends. I have received several complaints about the status of my microwave. Y'all seem to think it's not very clean. I mean, look, it could be cleaner. So first off, before we do anything, I think we gotta get rid of this, the burnt paper towels. So we're gonna take the little rotating thing off. Come over here. It's really stuck on. That didn't work. All right, well, first off, we gotta wash these dishes. Okay, now you can begin washing this thing maybe. I know you're not supposed to like flush paper towels down the sink, but we gotta do something to get the like paper towels off this like turny tray thing. Okay, so while that's soaking there, we can begin to clean the inside of this. We're just gonna use paper towels, I guess. Pretty dirty. Oh, it's really stuck on here. Wonder if I could like use that in there. Maybe I should unplug it actually. You know what? We're gonna unplug it. Feel like I should probably clean this thing too. I'm gonna throw this in here. And we've got like turbo burnt popcorn and stuff from down below. All right, more paper towels. All right. Pretty gross. Now, how am I gonna clean that? No, I don't know. We'll not worry about that right now. Let's get all of this cleaned up. This is a disaster. Let's go over here, clean this. Okay, so let's go over here. I feel like it's like turbo stained and that maybe I can't do anything about that. Yeah, I guess, can we clean off oh, this is like super dirty. Okay, we're doing it. There's always more. Like there's just, like I go and there's just more. All right, let's feel like this side. All right, let's go. Okay, we gotta clean out this center track thing. Okay. Part of me thinks this is just rust, or like... Okay. Now this is something that's kind of annoying me. Like, we got here a little bit more clean. Over here, no. But it just does not, like, come off here. Feels like it's permanently stained. Also, look at this. This is kind of funny. Yeah, we regularly clean, boys. Okay, we're gonna try to get over here, though. I feel like this right side is a lot cleaner than the left side for some reason. Okay. Okay, yeah, this isn't, this one. Okay. I thought that was, oh, that was really stuck on there. Okay, well, I think it's time for a break. Okay, I made a decent bit of progress, I think, but I think it's time for a break. I'm gonna get back to it in a little bit. All right, these have been chilling for a while, so we're gonna just, let them dry, let them dry. Wash them off a little bit here, and then let them dry. I will be the clean man. All right. So I think this is mostly clean. We're going to ruin this rag. This stupid side over here is like not cleaning. It might legitimately just be like stained beyond repair. Also, while I was able to clean off most of the stuff over here, I think this is legitimately like rust stuff. Well, it's not getting that much more clean, but we do have this over here, the door. I feel like we're just making lines here. Ugh. Okay. All right, I think we're getting to the end here. Throw this thing back in there. Got it in there. So, okay, so this is the new and improved, slightly cleaner microwave. It's not perfect. I think a lot of the problems are stains, like I said before, maybe. But it's a lot better, I think. It was really, really bad before. We used like a ton of that, a ton of paper towels cleaning it. Thank you for coming on this journey and cleaning my microwave with me. See ya.